Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be discussing one productivity related app that will increase your work efficiency. So without wasting time, let's get started. First go to Play Store, then in the search box just you go ahead and type Otter. Once you type, you will get a list like this. From this you pick up Otter voice meeting notes for English only. So once you install this, as soon as you install, then it will be loaded. Then you go to Otter app and just open. First and most important thing is that you have to register first. So I have already registered. Then after registering you will get a screen like this. So in this just in the options you can see home, my conversations shared with me, and folders, all conversations, trash, settings. This is a free version, so you are getting 600 minutes per month. So this is not a big thing, just ignore it. So this is basic account now. So what are the uses of it? In the sense, you can record a meeting with your boss, and you can get all the text which is spoken in the meeting. Then you can export into text file, so like that you can use. Otherwise you can open any English YouTube video, and you can play that, and you can record, and after recording, automatically this app will translate total text here, and you can share that text. So in that way you can use. Otherwise, just you open, you speak, and it will transcribe for you. This is basically record, transcribe, and share. So these three are main things of this. And if you connect it to your calendar, so it can also give you reminders, but we are not going to use that. So here this is my sample text. So like this I spoke, and it has given the text. So let us test one recording, how it works. Just